Okay guys, I have a new mission and whew, I am going to be completely changing this whole room. I'm just going to let you see like what a mess it is, but anyway, yeah, this is what the layout is. Like all this is here, desk, everything is going to be changing, so let's do it. Whew, it's already looking a little bit different in here. I am so hot, you guys. So basically what I need to do is I need to take all this apart, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this over here, but it's going to be the other way around, which means these legs, they screw on. You have to put like things onto the desk, then screw the legs on. So I'm going to have to take the legs off and also unscrew the metal things and put them on the other side, because the legs are going to have to be on the other side. Oh my days, I am sweating. So I need to take these two off and put them on here. I'm going to have to move that white thing because I need to get it in the corner. Possibly the pink thing as well, which is really difficult to move. Oh my god, I'm so hot. Right, so I've managed to get that over there now. I need to move this thingy here. I need to get that moved. I'm actually going to see if that white desk would fit on top of that, which I don't think it will. But if it does, that will be ace. Okay, so I think I've made this work. That's where like my camera's gonna be, and it fits fine. And that actually just fit on top of that. Obviously, like there's stuff underneath that need like cleaning. I've actually used Avon books to like prop it up, so I'm hoping it's gonna be all right. And I'm thinking once I put the pink shelving up there, I'll like weight it down a bit. Whew, man, it's hot. Okay, so at the moment, I'm basically just taking everything off of this, and I'm just shoving it over there somewhere. Because this needs to go here. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, I've done it. By the way, I don't think I mentioned it is now the next day. I needed to go to sleep, so this is what we've got so far. Like this, the TV is gonna go on there. This I'm hoping can eventually be like a walk-in wardrobe type area. So all of these will have like bits of clothing and what have you in it, and then obviously my wardrobe there as well. Oh hi! Wow, there's just, oh my days, so much to do. Why do I have so much stuff? Seriously. Okay guys, so things are starting to kind of happen now. There's still so much to do and so far to go, but I feel like I'm actually getting somewhere kind of. Oh my days, it's literally like moving house doing all of this. Like I'm just having to like plop stuff everywhere while I sort other stuff out. I'm so hot. Why have I chosen the hottest day of the year to do this? So I don't even know if I've really done much since I last vlogged. I think I have, but yeah, this is here now. I've managed to like start organising, not even really organising, but just kind of placing things. Like I want to change this so it's mainly like stationery sort of stuff. So this is all makeup and face stuff at the minute, but obviously I want to change that. But I think like I'm just putting things where I think they'll go in terms of like storage wise. Whew, we're actually definitely making some kind of progress now. All of this obviously is not going to be like this. It's a bit of a mess, but this is going to be a really short video as well, because instead of me jabbering on all the time, you're actually just seeing footage of like things happening. Okay guys, so the bed is here. Now I need to put it up and it's going here. I'm so tired right now. Whew, I'm so hot and I've been working, well I've been training all week, and yes, but I'm excited for it all to be done. Right, okay, I'm kind of like halfway there. I just need to get all like the wooden slotty things in, but it's looking good. I'm so excited for my mattress to come. It's supposed to be coming tomorrow and I've spent a lot of money on it, but I'll go into that when it arrives. Alright guys, so this is where we're at the moment. I'm leaving these slots out because I need to be able to get like around here at the moment, and until the mattress is here, if I put the slats in, I won't be able to. I'm not going to put those slats in until the mattress comes. I think this is kind of the setup. Obviously all this crap up here over there, but I think I'm going to keep these as they are. There's just enough space. I see I was going to move this eventually, but I actually don't even think it's that bad. Like there is enough space to get in and out. It's not really an issue, so it might end up staying there. We will see. We've still got so much to do, but I feel like there's a little bit of progress going on now. And I'm thinking TV is going to go on here now. I was going to put it on here. Now I'm thinking I'm going to put it on there. I need to sort all of this rubbish out and just, oh my god. This is going to be a longer video than I thought, even though I'm just doing really short clips because there's so much to do. The mattress is here. I'm so excited. Look. And 2 pillows and quilt and a mattress protector. So I'm going to put the rest of the what is it's on, and I'm going to get this mattress out. Put all my boxes there. I've kept them for like storage reasons. I thought instead of having them on top of the wardrobe, I'll have them there and we'll just see how it goes. Okay guys, so the bed is up, the mattress is up, and I've got the bedding on. I'm so excited. I've got the new pillows and the new quilt and everything, so I'm very excited. So just to give you a little bit of information on the bedding, I've just jumped in from the future, guys, by the way. I forgot that I hadn't actually mentioned anything. The mattress that I've got is a Simba mattress, so it's like, it's a mixture of memory foam and like this springy coily thingies. I mean, I can't even show you it because obviously I've got like a quilt, I've got like a sheet on. So I got the mattress. I also got a quilt from Simba, 2 pillows from Simba, and what I actually did was I got like a deal. Hi baby. I got like what would you call it, like a bundle deal. The mattresses are supposed to be about 650 for a small double, and I actually managed to get for £700 everything. Like the quilts I believe are about 150, and the pillows I think are £95 each, and then they also threw in like a mattress protector as well for free. So I got all of that for 700 instead of obviously if I'd have bought it all separately. So I just wanted to give you just a quick, because I've got a feeling that people are probably going to ask me some questions about it. So yeah, it is one of those mattresses. It's supposed to have like special cooling, like some kind of, she always bites me. What are you doing? Leave me alone, you rabid cat. Ow, ow, okay, that hurt now. No, stop. Be a good girl, Drusilla. This is Drusilla. I don't know if you guys have met Drusilla. You have. So, what was I saying? So it's got like this, they call it like space technology or something, like it's supposed to keep you cool. I have had this for like, I've been sleeping on this for like a week now, because obviously it's taken me ages to end the video. And I am coming here from the future. But I basically just went, no, the past? No, the future. Sorry, I'm really tired, guys. So I just wanted to mention all of that to you guys. And I am liking it. I wouldn't say it's completely cured my back problems, because that's never going to happen, unfortunately, for me. And I don't know whether I've noticed whether it's, I feel like it's not really keeping me cool, but I wouldn't say like it definitely isn't. And I'm really, I would recommend people to get it. And I'm really enjoying sleeping on it. It's pretty cool. I actually do really like the quilt as well. But yeah, I'm not sure if it is keeping me cool. Like the quilt and the pillows are supposed to all have this cooling technology in them, but I don't know. And then I'm like, does it work if they've got like covers on them? How does that even work? I don't know. But I just thought I would pop in and just give you a quick overview of the bed. It is a Simba mattress and bed like accessories, I guess you would call them. So there you go. Everything still isn't how it's gonna be in the end, and like there's still stuff everywhere, but I've got my TV and that, so it's all good. We're getting there. I'm actually making some progress now. Woo! Right guys, so I was actually going to carry on, but I thought I've kind of, it's not obviously ready, but I've got everything kind of where it's going in terms of furniture and all that jazz. So what I thought I would do is end this vlog now. So I'm going to give you a quick overview, so let me just come in the room. So that's the door. So this is what it's like as you come in. I just thought I'll just show you it like this. Then once I've properly got everything sorted, I can do more of an actual like tour style video, if that makes sense. So we've got like my TV and that. I managed to get that there. I don't know if like, I can't even remember what you guys have all seen. It's been like a few days. And like I say, I was gonna try and totally finish it, but then I thought actually I can do like a proper tour later on. So like this is going to have clothes in at the moment. It's still got loads of random stuff in, so I still need to go through all them. My clothes are still all in the other room. that's obviously, this is like my walk-in wardrobe area. But yeah, I don't want to like ruin it for like when I actually end up coming and doing like a little tour. So do what you love, love what you do. And that's it, guys. So I'm going to leave this video here because I want to get it up for you guys. I feel like I've been filming for like quite a while. I haven't even looked at the footage yet. But yeah, so this is my new room and I absolutely love it. I really like this area here. This feels like it's the most organised at the moment. Okay guys, I'm going to leave this here. I love you so much. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!